Hello and welcome to Mr. Pena Has Flipped. This is video lesson number 3, Functions and Function Notation. Okay, that's what we're going to be talking about today. Now, what's the definition of a function? Well, the mathematical definition of a function is a relation such that every domain x value has one and only one range value. Well, yeah, so what the heck does that mean anyway? Okay, so I want to show you an example. Okay, so you have 4 people. You have Eric, Mario, Marie, and Stephanie. And they're going to take a vacation at exactly the same time. Their plane's going to leave the airport exactly the same time, exactly the same day. And they have a choice of going to Hawaii, Acapulco, Switzerland, or Toronto. Alright, Eric decides to go to Switzerland. Mario's going to go to Toronto. Marie's going to Acapulco. And Stephanie's going to Hawaii. Is this possible? Can all these 4 different people go to 4 different locations at exactly the same time? Yeah, of course it's possible. This is a function. That's what a function means. Okay, let me show you something else. Okay, here's another example. See, Eric decides to go to Acapulco, but he also decides to go to Switzerland at exactly the same time. Now, Maria's going to Toronto, Marie's going to Hawaii, and Stephanie's going to Toronto also. Now, in this case, Eric cannot go to 2 different places. So right here, because of this, Eric cannot be in Acapulco and Switzerland at exactly the same time. So that is not a function. Okay? Now, what's this one here? What if all 4 of these people here find out that there's going to be this awesome rock festival in Switzerland? So Eric wants to go there. Mario wants to go there, Marie wants to go there, and Stephanie. They all want to go to Switzerland. Now, can all of these 4 people go to Switzerland at the same time? Yes, of course. That is also a function. Okay? Because you don't have one person going to any place at 2 different times. 2 different places at exactly the same time. So function notation looks like this. F of x. This is function notation, and that's how you say it, f of x. So right here, that's your function notation. It's not f times x, it's f of x. Okay, so for example, right here you have y is equal to 3x minus 7. So instead of writing it like this, using function notation, you will write f of x is equal to 3x minus 7. So kind of like f of x takes the place of y. Okay, but f of x is a lot more useful, which we'll see later. Alright, you've heard of the vertical line test. I'm sure you have. You've heard of the vertical line test. And this is what it is. If you move a vertical line across a graph, check to see if the vertical line touches a graph in more than one place. If it does not touch the graph in more than one place, the graph is a function. If the graph does touch the vertical line at more than one place, it's not a function. Okay, so here's this one here. Is this graph a vertical, does it pass the vertical line test? Is it a function? Well, if I have a vertical line and I move it across the graph, it only touches at one place at the same time. See, it only touches at one place on each one of these lines. So that means that this is a function because of that. It passes the vertical line test. On this one, is this a function? Well, for this one, I'm going to draw vertical lines again across the graph. So, oh, wait a minute. It touches twice, here and here, here and here. Well, it touches at more than one place at the same time. That means that no, it is not a function. That's the vertical line test. Okay, what's an independent variable? Well, independent variable basically means it's a variable that does not depend on another variable. That's what it means. Dependent variable means that you have a quantity or variable that depends on another variable. An independent variable. It sounds kind of dumb, but you know, that's basically what it is. Alright, well, watch the video. Okay, the next video is going to have examples of this. So please watch that. And remember, when you're taking notes, stop the video, rewind it, and in your notebook, write the notes, write the summary, and then write the question. All right, I'll see you in class. Thank you.